Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn a few English words together. We will get to know their pronunciation, meaning and how to use them in everyday conversations. So let's get started. The first one is ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy. For example, I was ecstatic when I passed my exam. Another example, after meeting my old friend, I became ecstatic. Instead of saying very happy, you can use this word ecstatic. The next word is reluctant. Reluctant meaning not willing or eager to do something. Means you do something but you really don't want to do. That is reluctant. For example, she was reluctant to speak English in front of others. My brother was reluctant waking up early this morning. She was reluctant to accept her new job. The next one is benevolent. Benevolent meaning kind, generous, and always willing to help others. For example, our teacher is a very benevolent and always encourages every student. We should be benevolent towards poor people. The fourth one is sabotage. Sabotage meaning to deliberately ruin, spoil or damage someone or something so that it does not succeed. अगर हम किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को जानबूझ के नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, that is sabotage. For example, someone sabotaged my mobile phone. Students in this era are sabotaging their future, spending too much time on social media platforms. We should not sabotage our health by eating junk foods. Let's have a quick revision all those words which we have learned today. First one is ecstatic meaning extremely happy. The second one is reluctant meaning not willing or eager to do something. Third one is benevolent meaning kind, generous or always ready to help others. And fourth one is sabotage meaning deliberately ruin or damage someone or something so that it does not succeed. I am going to share a short story with you. Last year, one of my friends was reluctant to speak in front of others because of making mistakes. But fortunately, one day she met a benevolent teacher, and that teacher inspired her a lot to speak English every day. Unfortunately, one day, a few people tried to sabotage her confidence, finding out her mistakes and laughing at her mistakes. But she did not give up. She kept on practicing, and after few months she noticed she had improved a lot, and after seeing her progress she became ecstatic. So I must say that we should never sabotage our dreams and we should never reluctant to learn new skills or any languages. I hope you understood all those words well and can use in your day-to-day conversation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching.